Hey everyone, it's Nicole for Plan with Nicole, and I thought I would take you through what I purchased during the most recent Happy Planner sale, prior to their floral sale when they had the extra, I believe it was 20% off sale or whatever it was. I thought it would be fun to show you what I picked up and kind of my thought process behind why I pick up what I do during sales. So first thing is I did buy some classic metal discs. These are some Disney ones. Maybe, yes, let's open it from the bottom. I prefer the metal discs, and I know that I had a planner that I didn't have metal discs for, and you guys know, probably if you have followed me here for a while, that I'm a huge Disney fan, and I'm a fan of the Disney Happy Planner products. It's what got me into the Happy Planner to begin with when I was looking for a planner, and so I picked up these black discs. They're really pretty. I love them, and I'm excited to put them on a planner. So I got some classic metal discs. I always like to just look and see here. Anyway, then I love the Papillion sticker book. Papillion? Am I even saying that right? Anyway, and so the Minnie sticker book was on sale, and I picked it up. It has some kind of different boxes in it. It's a lot of the similar, but also some different. I have to say, I love quote stickers. You guys probably know that when you see my spreads. Not a huge fan of the foiled ones. They don't photograph well. Their glare on them and stuff is kind of hard. I love a black quote, but I also love a colorful quote, and I thought these were beautiful. I loved that. These, look at these. Aren't these pretty? Too many ideas, not enough time. Gosh, I love the colors in this. It just has some different stickers. I believe this actually kind of encompasses more than just the sticker book I mentioned earlier. Even though these have some foiling, gorgeous. Anyway, more awesome quotes. This is why I picked this up. I think it has like some of the blush sticker book and just several sticker books that came out around that time. Here's more of like the butterfly theme. I liked these. More butterflies. Anyway, oh, and then it had some great animal stuff. I can't remember the name of the sticker book that came out. So this really kind of encompasses several different designs in one book. I liked that. Kind of gives you a little bit of everything in one. So I picked up the mini size of that. And I also picked up the grand size. So let's take a peek at what's in here. I really think it's probably a lot of the same that we just saw, but in a bigger size. Totally cool. There's going to be a few less stickers, more than likely, since these are bigger stickers. But I love it. Very excited. I know there'll be a little repetition, but I don't mind that when it's something I really like. Ugh, look how gorgeous those are, you guys. Oh my goodness. And yes, these are foil. After I just got done saying foil is generally not my favorite, but I love this. And this right here is probably my favorite. I love that little rainbow. You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. And of course, then some of the kind of wild type safari animals. Oh, that's so pretty. Anyway, excited about that. I did pick up some filler paper. This is, you guys, I really felt like there used to be names on things, but maybe I'm just losing my mind. As always, I will link to anything that's still available at the Happy Planner underneath my video here, but this is dot grid. And I got this because I didn't share this in my most recent haul because I ended up picking it up separately. There's some stuff. Happy Planner has some new stencils for like bullet journaling. So I picked up this dot grid pack. I guess I'll show you the dot grid pack first. We have this pretty blue, pink, lavender, and aqua. I picked this up. Both sides are dot grid. so that I could do like some bullet journaling type things on here. Do you see this awesome stencil? Like you can make the box shape, you could trace it out, you could decorate it with some stickers. Basically, I can make my own type of pages. I think this is going to be really great for keeping track of some of my other art and crafting type things. I know I've mentioned here, I cross stitch and quilt, and I have been looking for the perfect way to record that because I do a lot of quilt alongs and sew alongs. And I want to have a decorative record of what I'm doing, plus it's usually like monthly or weekly or whatever. This is one of the stencils. Let me see if I have the other one. I'll link to the stencils underneath the video here as well, even though they weren't part of this haul. Look at this. I just love it. So really cool stencils, and that's part of that. But this is the filler paper I got. I thought it was beautiful. And I know the good filler paper, like the really plain Jane filler paper, goes so quick. So yep, I got that. Dot grid. This also is dot grid. It's going to have a little bit of wording on it, but not a ton. And this is a white background, so probably a little bit more usable, I want to say, than colorful. Let's just look at them side by side here. Especially this aqua or blue is very light. The pink is a little bit darker, but this is white with a little gray dot grid. It has Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You at the top of the front. The back is just plain dot grid. This is going to be so easy to cover up if you don't want it to say this. There's lots of like half circle stickers in the sticker books. You could completely customize that. You could put a square sticker, a rectangle sticker. There's a lot of ways to customize it so that not every page says that. I wish there were more paper packs that had a little less decoration, but you guys know how I feel about that and the decoration. I want to make my own. So that is the 2 packs of filler paper. And then I know I just recently got a question on another video asking how I was liking my Happy Planner box storage. You guys, I love it. And I know I mentioned when the Disney sticker storage boxes came out, I talked about how I had bought quite a few of them and I am using them from all of my sticker books, so it's cohesive. I use white IKEA furniture in my craft studio, and my craft studio houses not only planning. I'm a quilter, so it houses my quilting and sewing supplies, some cross stitch, that doesn't take up very much room, but like all my quilting, all my planning, but then I am a full-time card content creator here on YouTube, and so I have a lot of card making, stamping, paper, inks. I have all of that. So my office encompasses all of those things, and I like things to be cohesive. So I'm using these boxes, but you guys know how expensive they are. And so when they're on sale, I pick up extras because as I keep planning, my collection keeps growing. I'm not going to take these out of the package. I've shown them before, but I did get the black sticker book with the white Mickey heads. And I will be sharing at least a quick video. It'll probably be like an Instagram type reel video here soon on my Instagram, which is Plan with Nichol. There's a link in the description down below to my Instagram, showing you how I store my planning supplies. That's my goal anyway, and then I will upload it here on YouTube soon. So in addition, I did buy another one of the white sets, mostly because I wanted just the sticker box. I wish they sold the sticker box by itself. I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway for some of the rest of these because I have a couple of the large ones already and things. So stay tuned because I probably am going to do that through, I might do it through here. I'll let you know. We'll have a separate video for that, but I have a couple of things I'd like to put together, a fun little giveaway just for my followers. I'm really hoping to reach 1,000 followers here on YouTube, and I think it's really doable, so I'm really planning on maybe doing a huge giveaway when we reach 1,000 followers. I think I said followers, I mean subscribers. You guys know what I mean. So when we reach 1,000 subscribers here on my channel, I'm going to do a huge giveaway. It's probably going to incorporate not only maybe a prize pack, but maybe a gift certificate as well to the Happy Planner or something. I haven't exactly ironed all of that out, but I want to do something to celebrate. So anyhow, I did pick up these because, as I mentioned, they're kind of expensive. I try to get them on sale. I had bought a couple right when they came out, but any of the rest of them I've purchased on sale. And I always think that is the best way to go. So also, here, I'm going to move this. Along the same lines, the Happy Heart Box, as much as I loved it when they released this prior to Valentine's Day, it was a little out of my price range because I don't really love everything in the box. Or I won't use everything in the box. Maybe that's what I should say instead. I basically wanted the sticker book, and I think a lot of us are maybe in the same boat. The packaging though, y'all, is always the cutest. I mean, look at that. All of the heart eyes. They do such an amazing job with their packaging. So this was on sale, and I ended up buying it because it was on sale. I am likely going to give away a good majority of this as well. So there's a great little card in here. I know for sure I'm going to give away the notebook that's included in this. I will show it to you though. It is really, really cute. It is Let Love Bloom. I want to keep this because for mailing out purposes, I want to be able to use it. It does have awesome dot grid paper in here. Can you guys see that? I don't want to take all of the packaging off. Really cute. So if you guys are looking for some dot grid paper, this actually has some really cute dot grid. But I am going to be giving this away as part of my little prize pack when we reach 1,000 subscribers here. It's really cute, and you can totally customize it, or you can just take the filler paper out and use it. Do whatever you want there. Also, this is really cute. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this or not. It's the sticker book box that came with this. I do love the pink. It doesn't really go with the vibe in my office, but I love the design, so I'll let you guys know. We may do a couple of giveaways at this point. I do think I probably will keep the washi. I love the rainbow washi. Let's open this so there's not such a glare. So here is the washi you get. The little rainbow. Oh my goodness. I love these. I think they're all really, really cute. So I'm going to keep the washi for sure. There's some little sticky notes. I'm keeping these. I'm always needing sticky notes. I wish that Happy Planner would do more sticky notes and maybe just some sticky notes and not, you know, have to buy them in a box or whatever. I know the boxes are cute and I do like them. There's always a lot of things I don't use. You guys you feel me, right? And so this is what I wanted. You Make It Rain Rainbows. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I wanted the sticker book. I'm really excited to have it because I feel like there's never enough Valentine's-y type of stickers. I really wish that instead of all conversation hearts, they would have done a page just full of little heart periods. Not heart period. You know what I mean. A whole page of hearts in like solid colors and all kinds of different colors because they never have enough. We've talked about this. I know you guys agree. Most of you agree. Oh, I like that one too. Even though it's got foil, I like this one as well. Anyway, so that is why I picked this up. Like literally, this is the hearts. They could have done a whole page of not gold conversation hearts and done a whole page of these and I would have been so much happier. But I love the sticker book, so yay! I finally have it. Sale is the way to go if you don't want the entire thing. So that is it, you guys. That is what I picked up during the most recent Happy Planner sale on sale. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
The supplies shown are listed and linked below the video here on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always be notified when I have a new planning video. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.